Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. Now for me it looks like it's right over here, first toggle on the second page. Hopefully you can find it in the same exact place. I haven't changed the orientation of them, so I assume it will be in the same location for you. Now once you locate it, you can simply tap on it, and this will turn it on, and as you can see it turns a battery this kind of like yellow orange color. So that is strictly to indicate that it is running. And the reason for that is power saving mode does do a couple of things in the background which aren't really disclosed. Number one, it most likely turned off our high refresh rate. Yep. So because this device supports higher refresh rate, it's now off. Things like 5G network is now off as well. And then there's a couple additional things happening in the background which aren't necessarily the best. So as an example, as you can see, I have mobile data and Wi-Fi enabled. When the device goes into sleep mode, which this would be considered the sleep mode, it will disconnect from both of those, so Wi-Fi and mobile data. And because of this, I won't be getting any kind of notifications from applications that would need that connection. So applications that would be affected by it would be things like WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, and so on. Any kind of application that needs network connection. Now when you wake up the device again, like it is right now, it will automatically reconnect and deliver everything that was missing in bulk, so all the notifications that you weren't getting. So just keep that in mind. And one last thing that is a little bit of an alternative to the power saving mode, which might interest some people. I'm going to turn this off. So power saving mode doesn't really do that much. It does a couple of things that might be annoying. So what I recommend you to do, if you tend to run your device at like max brightness or anything close to that, I urge you to drop your brightness by like halfway. This will yield you about 3 hours of extra battery life, which most of the time this is more battery life than you'll get from strictly the power saving mode. So it is something worth actually changing for like actual good power saving alternative. And additionally, it doesn't do anything wonky in the background, like turns off your hotspot, or not hotspot but mobile network and Wi-Fi when you're not using the device, so you can still expect all the notifications and anything that would normally be delivered to you to be still delivered as it should be. The only difference is your screen brightness will be a little bit dimmer. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.